When you sit down with your monthly bills, do you feel overwhelmed? The past few years have been a struggle for many, and while things are improving for some of us, the experts say financial problems are not going away. Here are my top 10 ways to reduce your household bills. They've been tested and they work. Number 10, audit your grocery bill. While using coupons certainly help, you need to know what you're buying. Plan your menu out for a week, make a list, go to the grocery store, and stick with it. Number 9, how much do you spend on fun every month? You may want to explore memberships to organizations like AAA, which not only offers a service, but discounts to entertainment venues and save you a few bucks. Number 8, utilities. Do I really need to say more? When you leave the house, set your thermostat at the away setting, and when you leave a room, turn off the lights. Number 7, check your phone bill. Cell phone, home phone. Do you really need caller ID or call waiting? Use the same principle with your cable and satellite services. Review to see if that high-definition package is really necessary. Number 6, insurance. You need it, but it can be costly. With automobile insurance, look at your deductibles. With health insurance, consider the alternatives or investigate the alternatives. And with home and renters insurance, look at your policy. Do you need that extra coverage? Number 5, avoid the overdraft on debit cards. Even if you never use the overdraft, just tip over the line one time and it will cost you. Use the same approach when it comes to being late on credit card payments. Remember, that's all free money for your creditor. Number 4, look at the cost of owning your automobile. When possible, use public transportation or carpool with a coworker, a friend, or a neighbor. Remember, it's all about saving money. Number 3, refinance your mortgage. If your credit is good and the current interest rate is not as low as it can go, refinance now and reduce your monthly payments dramatically. Number 2, if you have medical bills, you can reduce that by using generic drugs when filling prescriptions. Now, if you have a chronic health condition, consider hiring a health advocate that can negotiate your medical bills. Number 1, before you do anything, sit down and create a spreadsheet so you can know how much money is coming in and how much is going out. You would be amazed as to how many people have talked about lowering bills, but they don't even know how much they're spending. Looking out for you and your money, Calamero First Coast News, first for you.